Sally. How's it going? How's it going with the ball? Good boy. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay, let go for a second. Let go. See, this is a smart toy. He's supposed to figure out how to take the ball out.
So what he did?
So far, he's figuring out how to bite it out. See, there's a ball inside. Yeah. Look. Yeah. Okay, get it out. Come on. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, did you are, baby? Mwah. I'm gonna put them out in about a second. Let me just take a brief film of Tsari using his mental skills and subtlety. I don't know what they're thinking making these toys. I mean, I'm pretty sure no dog actually sits there and trying to... No dog actually sits there trying to figure out how to take the ball out. They just chew their way through.
Ce face, mă, puiul ăsta, mă, mic aici? Puiuță, ce fă, mă, tu cu nasul înăuntru acolo? O, doamne, puiule. Ce-ai făcut, mă, tu?
Yes, ear scratches. He will like
mă, puiule, mă. Aoleu, ce rea-i mingea aia. Aoleu, ce rea-i. Aoleu, doamne.
Oh, yeah.
Așa, trebuie să mănânci. Mamă, dar ce fălci are. Are mușchi aici pe cap.
Yeah, I know. He made them. He didn't used to have them.
Așa a făcut-o tu? Ce ești tu, bă? Ce fel de cățel ești tu, bă? Și cocolașa mică?
Cocolașa mică mă linge pe
Faci
el.
și mie o poză cu ea?
Now or after he destroyed it?
Acum, mai contează. Hai, mă, acum, până nu pentru tot.
Okay, okay.